Okay, this is a hashtag single seed potato challenge 2026, held by Steve, otherwise known as Digwell Greenfingers. I think we all know him. Right, so every year he holds a potato challenge. Luckily last year I won the heaviest potato, and hopefully have another good go this year. So this year he's holding a competition for the most yield, heaviest potato, and also he is holding a competition for the children, kids, or whatever you want to call them. Obviously there's been a few entries so far. Good luck to them. Right, so this is going to be my entry. So I'll just show you what I'm going to do. Right, so this is a potato he sent me. It's only got one chit this side and only got one that side. Nice chit. I don't know if this one will make anything or not. I don't know if you can see, but we'll find out later. But never mind. Look at the draw, what potato you get. So this is my take 2. I have cut it. So what I'm going to do, that chit to go in one pot, and I'm going to put the whole potato in another, and then hopefully to throw a few more chits out. But if not, I'll just go with, if this one makes anything, and that one, and try and go for the heaviest potato again. Right, let's crack on and show you what we're going to do. So right, this is my potato. It's been drying out for half an hour, but I'm not bothered. So I'm just going to put that in some compost. So I'm just using clover multi-purpose for this. I'll just push that one on his side a bit, seems he's growing up. And what I'll do, once they start get going, and I can see a couple of roots going out, I'll put it in bigger pots. Right, so that's my entry for the single seed potato challenge. Good luck to everybody else. Good luck to all the little kids. And thank you for Steve for holding the competition again. This is hashtag very small seed potato grow along 26. Held by Terry King, otherwise known as Gardening on a Budget. He's just doing a little competition. Well, I won't say it's a competition, it's just a grow along for people to just join in. So here's grow along, is the smallest potato. So I was having a job, because I usually chuck all my little potatoes, but I found a few. This is out my potato bags and they're all chitting. So I'm going to pick the smallest out of these. Grease had a pea size, and that's probably a pea size. So I'll pick the 6 smallest and plant them. So just going to put a bit of compost in here. I might even fit 3 parts fill it. Right. So I'm going to pick the 6 smallest. Watch I don't knock the little chips off. Just plant them in there. Just for a bit of fun this is. I can't do a lot else. Here's the next one. I won't get them mixed up with Steve's, because Steve's are in a brown pot. I think these are Charlotte potatoes, I'm not sure. Can't remember now when I pulled them out. That one might be smaller than a pea. I'll jump to see it. Well, if I get one potato off it, it'll be more and bigger than what it is. It'll be something to eat. I think that one's the next one. There's one at the back. That one there, I think you'll have to go further down in the pot. So I'll get them right down to the bottom. There we go. Right, the others can be thrown away now. Right, that's my entry. There you go, Terry. And good luck to everybody else that's taking part.